I know you clicked on this video because you have tried severally to verify your Rumble account and it is not working. Like, you've waited for code several times and the code is not coming. So I made a video 3 days ago on this channel introducing you to this amazing website where you can start earning from day one without 1,000 subscribers, without 4,000 watch hours, without waiting for the almighty requirements that YouTube actually gives us here. All they require for you is to just register an account and verify it. Now, the problem now comes that a lot of persons cannot verify their account, especially people in Africa. They cannot verify their accounts because the code is not coming. I received over 100 comments. That video I made 3 days ago, and almost all of them are asking of how to verify their account, how to create a PayPal account. And in this video, I'm going to be tackling the verification issue because, guys, I've verified my account and I've uploaded my video and I'm going to be showing you step by step. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your Rumble account, the mistakes a lot of people are doing that is making them not to be able to verify their accounts. I'm also going to show you what to do if your phone number is not getting the code. And I will show you how to upload your first video step by step and how to optimize it so that you can actually get views. Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deborah, and on this channel, I teach more content creators how to grow online, get more views, and discover new opportunities on how to make money through content creation. These are the kind of videos you would love to watch. Do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload amazing videos like this, you're going to get notified. So guys, for you to be able to verify your Rumble account, you need a US account. And the question is, how can you get a US account? A lot of persons do business online. They do business in diaspora without even having to go over there, without even having to go travel abroad. They are in their various countries, in Kenya, in Ghana, in Nigeria, and they are transacting online with people abroad. Okay. And the question is, how do they do it? That is because there's something we call a virtual phone number. With that virtual phone number, you can make calls, you can do videos, you can receive text message with people in diaspora. And that is the route you are going to be using. Okay, so you don't have any issues. I'm going to be teaching you how you can get a virtual phone number, an online phone number that can allow you to receive text messages, because Rumble is basically going to send you a code. And you need that phone number, a virtual phone number, to actually receive that code. Since your Nigerian code, your Ghanaian code, your Kenyan code, your Cameroonian code is not working. So you just have to use a virtual phone number that actually works everywhere. And I'm going to be showing you how to get it. And the phone number is not free, guys. We're going to be using the Numero app. You can actually get free numbers online, but trust me, anything free is going to stress you. The free numbers you're going to get online is not going to work for you. That is why you need the Numero app. The Numero app is going to give you a virtual number that you can actually use to verify your account. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it, starting from how to download the app, how you can, all the process basically to verifying your account and uploading your video. It is actually simple and straightforward, guys. Now, this Numero app actually has a referral code. Nobody paid me to promote this app. That is the app that everybody is using. Nobody paid me to promote it. This is just a big disclaimer. The Numero app actually have a referral link. Okay, so if you register for the app right now, you can also use the app to make money. All you need to do is to just send your own link. Anybody that wants to verify their Rumble account, and once they use your own Numero link to get the online SIM, you are going to get a commission. So I'm pleading with you. I'm going to be leaving my own link in the comment section or in the description box of this video. You don't need to go and download the app. All you need to do is just go through my link, and it's going to lead you to your app store or your Play Store, and you can download it from there. And I'm also going to get a commission, and you're also going to get a commission as well. So let's just head over to the tutorial, guys. So guys, just go to Google or Play Store and download Numero. Let me show you. So I already have this app on my phone. Actually, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to be using Play Store to download it. If you're using an iPhone, go to your Apple Store, just download Numero eSIM. Okay, Numero eSIM. Numero eSIM. Okay, so this is what Numero eSIM is. Like I said, I already have it on my phone. I'm just going to open it. Okay, so once you open it, this is what it's going to look like. It says, please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. Now, at this point, please pay attention very carefully so that you don't make any mistake, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to enter my phone number. At this point, you're going to enter your real phone number. If you're a Nigerian, you're a Kenyan, you're a Cameroonian, enter your real phone number, the phone number you're using. So I'm just going to enter my phone number. Okay, you can see, make sure that this is your real number. So please ensure you cross-check it very well. Now, you're going to bring an option that says allow Numero to send you a notification. Just click on allow. After that, it's going to bring you to this interface. So you're going to click on phone numbers. So it's going to load and bring you to this interface. You're going to see USA special offers, social media numbers. You're going to see mobile numbers. Please click on mobile numbers used for calls, SMS, and WhatsApp. So I'm just going to click on it right now. So just tap on mobile numbers. So once you tap on mobile numbers, you're going to see all of this interface. You're going to see United States. You're going to see United Kingdom. Just choose United States and it's going to be costing you £5. So once you click on United States, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay. So you're going to see their subscription packages. The first one is £39 for a year. That means you're going to be using this phone number for 1 year. If you pay £39, then the next one is $11 for 3 months. And then you have the one of £4.99. Okay, that is the one you should go for. All you need the number is just to verify your account. So you don't really need it for any other thing except you do basic online transactions like that in abroad. So I'm just going to click on £4.99. Okay, plan recommend, just cancel. They're trying to recommend an annual plan for you, but you don't need that. So just go for this £4.99 or any one you want to go for. So I'll just click on buy. So once you click on buy, it's going to ask you, make sure this is your real number because they're going to send you verification stuff that you can verify with the number. So just click on confirm. Just pick any package of your choice. I'm just going to select this $4.99. So once you click on confirm, it's going to bring you to this interface. Just select Google Pay. Okay, click on buy. Okay, and then it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, just click on subscribe.
How many videos you get?
Okay, guys, can you see I've just subscribed? So this is actually the process you're going to follow. Just pay attention to the next part because this is not even everything. We are just getting started. So you can see they just sent me a message. You have successfully purchased the number. Okay, so just cancel. And once you come back, just look for, okay, it says good news. You already have a number from United States. Just cancel. So just come back to this interface and then scroll to the left and then click on my products. Okay. Once you click on my products, you're going to see my phone numbers, my data eSIMs, my calling plans. Click on my phone numbers. Okay. Once you click on my phone numbers, it's going to show you your real number. That's the one you imputed, which is your Nigerian number, or your Ghanaian number, your Kenyan number, or any one of any country of your choice. And then you're going to see your United States number. Just make sure you take note of it. Now, after you've gotten this, your United States number, okay, you're going to see, please verify your number to continue. Just tap on, please verify your number to continue. And then you're going to see verify me. Okay. And guys, our account has been activated. Okay, so now that we've been able to activate our account on this Numero, the next thing is to go to our products. Just go to your products. Okay, click on my phone number and you're going to see your United States number. You're going to see your real number and then your United States number. So we'll now go to our Rumble. We'll now go to our Rumble accounts now and try to verify with the phone number we just got. So just go to Google and search for rumble.com. Now the reason why you're going to Google or you're using your desktop sites to search for this is you're not going to access all of this in your mobile app. So just go to Google or you go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and search for Rumble. Rumble.com. So this is what the interface looks like. Okay, guys, so for you to verify your account, just look above here. You're going to see this profile icon. Okay, now come down and click on account setting. Okay, once you click on account setting, it's going to bring you to all this interface right here. Just come to the left hand side, you're going to see verification. You tap on verification, and then it will bring you here. You can see my account is not verified, and I'm going to be showing you the whole process, and I'll be verifying it live here so that you can actually see that this works. Okay, so I'm just going to if you come to this country code right here, just select the US country code. Click on this drop down menu. It's going to bring you to where you can select the US country code. Okay, so this is United States here. So you are now going to impute the phone number you just bought, United States phone number. So immediately impute the phone number. Just tap on text me. You need to use text me because I'm going to be sending you a code through the text. Okay. WhatsApp also works as well. It also works. Okay. Once they send it to you, you can just impute the code on that there. Guys, can you see? They just said, congratulations, the phone number has been verified. Guys, we are ready to make money. So guys, once your account is verified, you can be able to have access to all of this. When my account was not verified, I was not able to do all of this. I could not upload any video. I could not use the live streaming app. And when you don't upload videos, there's no way you're going to make money, right? There's no way you're going to leave comments on videos, and there's no way you're going to vote for videos and comment. Okay, so I'm going to be uploading my first video right now. Okay, I'm back on my phone right now, so I'm going to be using my phone to upload my first video because I have the video on my phone. So for you to upload your first video, just click on this plus icon here. Just click on this plus icon here. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on the plus icon, and it's going to bring me to this interface where you see upload, go live, and then the Rumble Studio. Okay, so I'm just going to click on upload. Like, you can literally go live on this website as well, because guys, it is just like YouTube. Okay, anything you're doing on YouTube, you can do it here. You can even post short videos here. Okay, so you're going to see select video to upload. So I'm just going to click on this. Okay, so I can select a video to upload, and then it's going to lead me to my gallery. This video I posted yesterday. You can see it is uploading. You can see 2%, 3%. So just come down here. You're going to see video title. The title of this video is 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. Okay, this hack will give you 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. That is what I'm going to be titling the video. Our video is 25% uploaded. So I'm just going to give it a description. I'll go to ChatGPT and copy a description. I can literally use the same description I used on YouTube. I'll go to ChatGPT and copy the same description I used for this particular video on YouTube. Okay, and then I will use it here. You can see that it literally works. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself looking for more titles and other SEO packages. You're going to see primary category. Okay, just choose what this video is all about. It is a how-to video, so I'll choose how-to. This secondary category, I'm just going to first light video game. I'm just going to leave that one like that. So thumbnail, you also choose your thumbnail. So I'm just going to choose my own thumbnail. It will lead me to my gallery where I can select a thumbnail. So I'll select this thumbnail. Now tags are optional. Related video shown on only shots only. Feature video on the top of your profile. Okay, I just leave it like that. Okay, keep it on, can't keep it on public. It's basically like YouTube. You know how you upload videos on YouTube. Okay, send mobile push notification to followers. I'm gonna send. Okay, guys, please search for my name, Deborah Ibonawa, on Rumble and follow me. Okay, so our video is 26% uploaded. Rumble only, non-exclusive. Now leave it at Rumble only, non-exclusive, similar to YouTube, okay? Just click on the 2 checks and then click on submit. So I'm just submitting. Complete, guys. We just uploaded our first video on Rumble and I'm going to be showing the progress of how this video is going, okay? Okay. Now this is the direct link. Once you upload, it's going to show you the direct link to your video, embedded code, and monetized code, okay? So our video is monetized, first video, and it is monetized. There's nothing like 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, guys. Go back to your profile. Let's check, click on my contents. Now, if you click on my contents, you're going to see your first video. You can see. Click on these 3 dotted lines here. You're going to see download, total views, embed. Click on edit. If you click on edit, you can be able to edit your video. Okay, just like on YouTube, you can edit your description, you can edit your video and everything. Okay. So guys, this is basically it. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.